10 meals for $10. This Mexican chicken bowl, ridiculous. First job, let's get this rice cooking. What's important is we get the ratios for the rice to the water. 2 mugs of rice. We're gonna wash this. I give the rice 3 washes. Strain it off. Got 2 cups of rice in there. So we're gonna go 3 cups of water. Rice is washed. Couple of finishes. Flash of olive oil, pinch of salt, and we're gonna make it colorful and fun, so a bit of turmeric. I know what you're thinking, turmeric isn't Mexican. I don't care, it's gonna make it colorful and fun. Into the rice cooker. So there's no yellow rice button, we've only got the white rice button, unless fingers crossed. Chicken breasts. Pull them out. I prefer using the barbecue. First of all, it keeps the mess outside. Second of all, the flavour's way better. Trimming a chicken breast is pretty simple stuff. Right, there's a little gristly bit just in this top corner. Just trim that off. Now, butterflying the breast. Let's go straight down the centre. Pull the breast out. Now you can see we've got a thinner side and a thicker side. We're going to do exactly the same to this thicker side of the breast. Fold it out. Butterfly breast. This butterflying process is super important because we want the chicken as even as possible, so it cooks as even as possible. 4 breasts, all laid out nice. You can see they're all similar sort of size. That's exactly what we're after. Right, let's get this all seasoned up in smoked paprika. Chili flakes, garlic powder, salt, olive oil. Now, I know I've called this a Mexican bowl, but you can use whatever flavors you want. Flip the breast over, and then same on the other side. We're grilling vegetables on the barbecue with the chicken, and my favorite grilled veggies are zucchini and eggplant. Take the top off, and just cut it nice and thin. 1/2 centimetre in thickness, same for the zucchini. It's veggies, sliced, nice and thin. Rice is cooking. We're gonna add some black beans and corn kernels. Also a little bit of fresh tomato right at the end. Strain off the black beans first, and corn kernels. What's the rules? Saving the world, 1 can at a time. So, a little bit of diced tomato to toss through our rice right at the end. Cut the tomato into quarters, cut the seed out, scrape the rest of the seeds out, and we'll end up with these beautiful little cheeks of tomato. Nice fine dice. So, tomato, chuck into a bowl. I love the flavour of grilled lemon throughout the chicken on barbecue. So, give it a roll out. We're rolling to break up that juice on the inside. Bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt. Okay, veggies and chicken prepared and ready for grilling. Barbecue, pipe it hot. About 2 minutes. Eggplant's ready first. Let's take that off. Time to grill the chicken. Cook with the lid on. We want a nice, beautiful char on that. We want to sear it hard on one side, hard on the second side, capture all that flavour, get it back in the kitchen, slice it up, and get it on your plate. So chicken's grilling, the timer's on, the countdown's on to get dinner to the table. So let's start with our rice. Oh, look at this yellow rice. So ends up taking about 25 minutes. Rice, get our beans and corn through there. So just add this raw, just add it straight from the tin, give it a wash into your rice, pour that through. Fresh squeeze of lemon. Our rice bowl, ready to go. Beautiful. Okay, a little bit of Greek yogurt, eggplant, zouk, just a rough chop. Same with the eggplant, rough chop. Grilled veggies. It's been about 4 minutes either side of this chicken. Now, quite firm. Juice is coming to the top. It's a very good indication that the chicken is ready to go. Beautifully grilled chicken. Smell the spices. You can see the importance of butterflying the chicken out. But because we butterflied it out nice and evenly, it finished pretty much exactly the same. So that all came together in less than 20 minutes. Now, this is the perfect meal. That's gonna keep everyone happy. If there's leftovers, it's gonna save well for lunch. Bit of rice. Grilled veggies. The perfect midweek dinner. can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong.